Give Joshua his present, please.
Happy birthday, Joshua.
Happy birthday, Josh.
Happy birthday. Notebook.
It's the real notebook.
The seeing notebook. Yay.
Wow!
Johnny,
Don't
excuse
stand
me.
in front of him.
Excuse me, honey.
We'll try and take a picture.
I'm taking video. What else is in there, Josh?
Look, let's see what
Joshy.
else is there.
Joshy.
Josh, look.
Joshua, what does that say, Josh? What does it say, Josh?
What does this say?
Joshua's. This is Joshua's handy dandy notebook. Joshua.
But look what Daddy has.
Paw prints.
They're clues, huh?
Joshua. Can
Blue's clues.
There's blue. There's blue.
Josh, you like that?
There's blue magnet. It's a blue magnet.
And there's an extra. There's an extra.
Ooh.
Oh, this is all Joshua's.
These are Joshua's, guys. You like that, Joshy?
Yeah. There's some extra
So.
paper. There's some extra paper if you run out. This is Joshua's overlined. Joshua? Another extra. Hey, can I be blue, Joshua? Can I be the blue character, please? I got this.
Where did you guys put the other?
Can I be the blue character, Mom? Oh, look, I got a brown one.
What does it say on the very back of it,
Let's.
Joshua?
I'll
What does
just
it
put
say
this
on the inside back? Let's see. That says handy dandy notebook. What does this say?
Joshua.
You just pick it up Blue's Clues because you're really smart.
Wow, Josh, that's awesome.